Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing how to carry out an offline, or also called card reader, download in TIA Portal into PLC Sim Advanced. This process is relevant if you want to carry out a download directly into a memory location. This means you do not need to establish an online connection to the PLC or PLC Sim Advanced in order to download the software program. This offline download procedure was useful to me when I needed to implement an automated testing with TIA Portal. You can watch my video series on continuous integration with TIA Portal, which will be released soon, if not released yet. There I had made use of TIA Portal openness to carry out the offline download. In this video, I will be carrying out the offline download into PLC Sim Advanced, which is representing the actual PLC in this case. Please do like and kindly leave a comment behind as you find this video helpful. You can also subscribe to get latest updates. To start with, I will compile the software program I have here in TIA Portal, and then I will create a PLC Sim instance in PLC Sim Advanced. Having created the instance, I can access the directory where the instance is saved here in the virtual SIMatic memory card. Here is the file part to the folder where the memory card of the PLC instance is created. And this is where we will have software data stored. The goal is to load the program into the folder path, which serves as the memory card. This process of loading the program into the memory card is the offline download. This means, unlike the online download, we do not need to establish a network connection between TIA Portal and the PLC Sim. To do this, I will click on Add User-Defined Card Reader. Now I will proceed to select the folder path where the created PLC instance memory is located. Now that the folder path is selected, I will proceed to drag the main PLC into the card reader file path. Note that for an actual PLC, you will need to select the memory card path you have inserted into your computer where you have this TIA project in order to carry out the offline download. I will have to set the target device to be the PLC Sim Advanced instead of the CPU. If I run the PLC instance now, it does not fetch the downloaded program. I would need to restart the instance so it fetches the software program data. Here is the downloaded software program saved in the folder SIMatic S7S. Now I will try to go online to see the program online state. To go online, I need to establish a network connection with PLC Sim Advanced. Here again we see the loaded application in the memory location of the PLC Sim Advanced. I will try loading the program again, assuming we already made changes to the program and we want to do an offline download to the PLC Sim Advanced. Now I will go online. Note that before going online, you would need to restart the PLC instance. Sometimes you can experience the software going offline when you do not restart the instance after an offline download, as we see here. Now I have restarted the PLC Sim instance so we can go online successfully. Thank you for watching. Please do like and kindly leave a comment behind as you find this video helpful. Good success.